We are out here today at J&S and Delta Motors taking a look at this 2019 GMC Sierra. It is loaded out. As Mike says, it's just a really nice truck. And it really is, y'all. We like to start under the hood here to give you a look at what's going on. When you're buying pre-owned, we always recommend to ask about the Carfax. It's got low miles. We're talking right at 80,000 miles right now. And it's a total cream puff. Leather interior. Super nice condition. You got the WeatherTech mats in the front and in the back. And then you've got all the tech you want. Bluetooth, hands-free, GPS, backup cam. Really nice truck, y'all. You've even got a sunroof here. Let's take a look at this back seat. It's the X31 package, so it is loaded out. And just the details in the interior, gorgeous. There's this WeatherTech mats in the back. Tons of space. You've got some extra security spots if you need to hide anything securely in your truck while you're out and about. You do have a bed liner on top. It's got the Velcro there. Comes down. Nice big bed back here. And it's got the two-step. You can see here, you can come down with the top for your tailgate, or you can come all the way down. So it's got that cool feature there as well. You got your step up here for your tailgate. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 engine in it as well. All the details as far as pricing goes are down in the description of the video. Call us today or come on down to the lot and schedule your test drive.